Hello again, my friends. This is Christian for Life Force Microscopy. I found some more dead and sick trees in this beautiful park reserve. It's a beautiful park. Lots of people come here to be in nature, exercise. It's just awesome. The energy is, excellent. You feel really good being here. Except when you find areas like this, very small patches where everything is dead or getting sick, like in this case. We have like fallen branches on the ground, leftover trees. They used to be very healthy, and then everything is dying here. I don't see a connection between this particular spot and any other dead trees in the same direction, like going in that direction or anywhere else. So it's only whatever is happening here in this area. This used to be a very healthy, big eucalyptus tree, and then everything is dead. Why? Filming this video and standing on this very same spot, believe me when I tell you, I feel like something is pulling on my muscles. I'm beginning to feel pain, like real pain in my muscles. So this is probably a very toxic geopathic energy that is able to kill a tree. Keep in mind that these things don't happen overnight. It can actually take many months, even years, for something like this to happen. I'm pretty sure that, for example, this dead tree over here possibly took a few years to get to this. Everything dead, fallen on the ground. Also, this other tree over here, okay, this one over here, is also getting sick, getting dried, and pretty soon will have the same fate as the other one. It'll die pretty soon. Geopathies have a tendency to have this very same effect over time. To the point where all you see is a very small area where everything is dried and sick or dead. Sorry, I almost got stung by a bee. Now, imagine a house being built right on this very same spot. What's going to happen to the people living in that house being on top of such a strong geopathic energy that is able to kill biological matter? That is, trees. Well, I tell you what's going to happen. People in that house will get sick and die of some very weird disease. Doctors will not be able to tell what's going on with those sick people. It'll be like something unexplained. What happened here? Well, I know what happened here. So it goes to show you that whenever you feel like moving into a house, new house, you should always consult or ask for a professional opinion from a geobiologist to make sure that that house you're going to move into is safe from an energy point of view. Otherwise, you can get into a lot of trouble and get sick. And then, instead of enjoying life and even your retirement, you're going to spend thousands of dollars on medical bills and stuff, and you don't want that to happen. So it always makes a lot of sense to consult professionals regarding these matters. That's what I think. That's what I would actually advise and recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.